Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to use the Telugu words such as Vacchaelopu, Choosaelopu. The word lopu means by the time. It is generally followed by a verb. For example, Vacchaelopu means by the time of coming or reaching, and Choosaelopu means by the time of seeing or looking. In the meantime, Elopu can also be used wherever it is relevant. Example sentences. నేను వచ్చేలోపు ఆమె ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. She returned to her home by the time I arrived. నేను స్టేషన్కు వెళ్ళేలోపు రైలు వెళ్ళిపోయింది. The train left the station by the time I reached there. From the above examples, you can understand that if two actions are going to happen, one is already finished and another one is not finished, lopu is used for the uncompleted action.